Good morning, you.
Good morning, Britain.
Good morning. One another adventure today. We're out up in the middle of nowhere.
The Linhope estate, to be precise.
Yeah, and we are going to go and swim in a lake.
Yeah, we're going to Linhope Spout, which is quite a semi-popular tourist destination in Northumberland. Yeah, so we're going to go and check that out, have a little look at it, and get wet.
Yeah, see us jump in the lake.
Not in that way. Not in that way. Yeah.
Yeah, but this is obviously where we are at the minute. It's just in the middle of nowhere, you know. It's surrounded by
Nothing.
hills, mountains, sheep, lots of sheep. But yeah, it's
potentially snakes, according to the tourist information board. So,
yeah, there's snakes. What else was there? Giant moths.
Giant moth, a common lizard,
rams,
black-faced sheep,
yeah, all sorts. So,
and grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers. So, yeah. So, join us on our adventure today and see what we get up to. Hopefully, we might speak to some locals if there's anybody up here. They might tell us a little bit about the place, a little bit of history and things like that. But well, you never know. There might be nobody there. But yeah.
So yeah, grab yourself a cup of tea because it's going to be a good one.
You know. See you in a bit, guys.
Come by. Come by. Yes. Come by. Get on. Get on, kid. Oh, stop then. You're ruining the shot. I can't believe I've just heard it. Come by.
Farmer Bizzle.
Come by. Come by.
Farmer Bizzle's on one.
Come by. I'm a proper sheep farmer. Come by. Come by. Come by. Come by.
They're away now. Mate, imagine if one jumps in your car. You're noisy.
Oh, mate.
They're away into the field now.
Oh, wow.
Is it dead, dickhead?
Well, that's been dried out for some time, that. Look at its feet.
Lick it. Oh!
Annie, 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 Annie.
We're getting close, Docky. Oh. Oh, wow.
Waterfall, man.
Oh, wow.
That was the right path.
Wow.
That was the right path.
Let's have a look at this waterfall, kid. Take me fucking, get down here and take me stuff. because I'm going back into scrambling action.
Mate, that's some drop that.
Mate, I'm buzzing for you, right? Because last time out when we done the other video,
Waterfall.
you didn't get to like come to like this close to the top of a waterfall, and now you're actually seeing it. So we've got to get down there, but because we took the wrong turn, we've got to go back up there.
No.
Or maybe we can get down here.
There's another pheasant.
Be careful, mate.
Will do. I'm just going to turn this camera off whilst we get down there, unless Bizzle goes on his arse. Fucking hell. Right, be back with these in a minute when we're down the bottom. It could be half an hour, you know.
Hopefully we'll be alive when we're down the bottom, but we will be down the bottom one way or another.
See you in a bit.
So we're somewhere near down the bottom now. We've got the last couple of rocks to navigate around. Some of them are like sharp as anything, so I'm trying to watch where I'm putting my feet because I don't want to smash my legs up. But let's get down to the bottom, let you guys see this view. He's taking a head start. Oh, nearly went.
It's the sock.
A wild sock.
It's the sock of loving under a teenager pheasant. Mate, there's like loads of like rubbish here, man. Look at this. Look at town.
Yeah, that's not good. So if you watched our last video, one thing that you would have seen that really pissed us off is when people come to wild nature spots like this and they don't look after it. So people have obviously been here recently, just left their dirty socks around, crisp packets, people leaving cans of Stella, footballs in the fucking water. Like, what is wrong with people? But
Hey, look at that.
have a look at this, because this is bloody sublime. This is pretty incredible what we're about to show you now. He nearly went. He was nearly toast. Wowza. First impressions, Davey?
Nice, isn't it?
It's very bloody nice.
Beautiful.
It's wonderful, mate. Can't wait to get a shower under that because it's red hot. Red hot.
So, let's do a temperature check, eh?
Will you get one?
Probably not.
Got no internet. Probably won't get one.
No, probably not.
But it's got to be close to 22 degrees, I reckon.
21 degrees.
That wasn't a bad guess.
21 degrees it is. Yeah, we've got no signal, but it's saying it's 21 degrees, so we'll take that as value. Which way do you think is the best way we're going to go and get in? I think that's going to be deep down here.
That down there, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. There's only one way to find out.
Let's get in.
Yeah. Right.
See you in a bit. Oh yeah.
Hopefully he comes back up.
Oh, that was a look.
Alright.
Don't panic.
No, I am.
Well, we've just had an absolutely epic morning there at Linhope Spout. Bit of a cold swim, open water swim. Is it an open water swim? Is that what they call it?
Yeah,
I don't know,
yeah,
fresh water swim, something like that.
Water, yeah, with a waterfall on it. It was beautiful, very cold.
When we got there, absolutely nobody was there. The second we got our swimming shorts on, people started to arrive. But
when Bizzle had his little.
Yeah,
when you had your little fiddler out.
When the birds were eyeing up a worm.
Yeah, but that was really good. See, this spot we wanted to do a few weeks ago, wanted to go, like, obviously go for a swim,
get into the water and enjoy it.
Obviously it was raining and it was freezing cold, that we physically couldn't do it. And now, how many degrees is it now?
Probably well, it was 22 earlier, wasn't it? 21, 22
21
earlier
yeah,
when we done a temperature check in the video. It's probably a bit warmer than that now, but I haven't got any internet,
we've
so
got no signal,
got no idea what it is.
Unfortunately, it's like, because we're in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, absolutely nowhere. But yeah, stay tuned. There'll be another video after this at some point. So all I can say is like, subscribe,
comment,
and
hit the notification bell.
See you on the next one, guys.
Annie.